Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. First of all, thank you for your patience. The past few days were very busy, but here is your latest Bitcoin market update. Since the last video, price action has been dominated by extreme volatility and a deep corrective phase. Previously, we discussed Bitcoin trading down roughly 40% to new 2026 lows near 75,000. Over the last 10 days, price has traded even lower, hovering mostly between 65,000 and 67,000, with recent closes around 66,400 to 66,500 on February 12th and 13th. During this stretch, intraday moves briefly tested the 60,000 to 61,000 region before partial recoveries. Year to date, Bitcoin is down more than 20% and over 40 to 50% from the late 2025 peak above 126,000. Several sessions saw multi-day declines of 10 to 15% amid broader risk-off sentiment. February has now recorded one of the largest realized loss periods on record. Roughly $3.2 billion in realized losses occurred within a single 24-hour window earlier this month, with daily averages near $2.3 billion during the most intense phase. Monthly returns shifted from -1% 10 days ago to -16%, making this one of the weakest February performances historically. Price structure shows repeated sharp drops towards 60,000, followed by brief rebounds above 65,000 that failed to hold. Some analysts describe this as structured deleveraging rather than panic, though frustration has grown as Bitcoin underperformed gold and at times equities. Macro pressures played a major role. Strong United States labor data, reduced expectations for rate cuts, cautious sentiment in the technology sector, and thin liquidity conditions amplified volatility. Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds showed mixed flows, with occasional outflows but also notable inflow days. What stands out is the recent ETF behavior. On the 6th, 9th, and 10th, inflows were recorded. Notably, on the 6th, when Bitcoin dipped to approximately 59.8 thousand, institutions added about $371 million in net inflows. That suggests accumulation during weakness. Meanwhile, the weekly RSI has dropped to one of its lowest readings in modern Bitcoin history. The Fear and Greed Index recently touched 5, compared to 6 during the 2022 bear market low. Current readings reflect extreme fear conditions. On the higher time frame, this phase can be described as a structural reset following prior rallies. Some view it as a healthy leverage washout before stabilization. Others remain cautious until clearer strength returns. Interestingly, several crypto-focused creators have shifted attention toward equities. Even my own long-wave strategy, originally designed for Bitcoin, is currently performing more consistently on the Russell Index than on Bitcoin itself. Markets move quickly. Always verify live data and maintain disciplined risk management. I will continue updating you weekly. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Don't forget leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.